In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook search when it's not returning results. Most often, issues come from Windows search indexing or temporary glitches. The first step is to rebuild the search index. Close Outlook completely to clear background processes. Reopen it, go to File Options Search, and click Indexing Options. In the window, choose Advanced, then under Troubleshooting, select Rebuild and confirm with OK. Windows will recreate the index that Outlook uses to find emails, attachments, and calendar items. This may take some time, especially for large mailboxes or multiple accounts. Keep your PC awake and plugged in. After rebuilding, restart Outlook and test the search. If search still fails, try simple restarts to clear glitches. Run the Windows Search Troubleshooter. On Windows 11, go to Settings, Privacy, Security, Troubleshoot Searching Windows. On Windows 10, go to Settings, Update, Security, Troubleshoot Search and Indexing. These detect and fix common indexing problems automatically. Next, check Outlook add-ins. Go to File Options Add-ins, select COM add-ins from the Manage drop-down, and click Go. Uncheck unnecessary add-ins, especially third-party ones, then restart Outlook. Add-ins can interfere with searches. Verify the search scope by clicking into the search bar and setting it to all mailboxes or current mailbox rather than a specific folder like to-do or deleted items. Narrow scopes can make results appear missing. If issues persist, repair Office. Open Control Panel Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office or 365, click Change, and choose Online Repair. Save your work first, as this will close Office apps and may take time. Lastly, ensure Outlook is updated via File Office Account Update options. Follow these steps in order, testing after each. Rebuilding the index, checking add-ins, verifying search scope, repairing Office, and updating Outlook usually restore search functionality.